Hey guys, this is Parsa Safai, and I'm gonna teach you today how to create your own customized wall in Revit Autodesk. So, here we go. In Revit, you got some several type of wall, which you can see here, kind of storefront, interior, exterior wall. So, what if I want to customize my own wall? Alright, I'm gonna click on one of these like this, as you can see, and then I'm gonna choose one of and go on edit type. So first thing, I have to have it duplicate. So I have to do this like this, for example, and then click on edit. So I'm gonna click on preview because we want to see what is happening. So this is my structure, and like this. I'm gonna add another layer, 5 centimeter of brick, for example. So this could be as finish, and I need it to be on top. This could be as thermal or a air layer, and I need another layer for here. So for example, this. So if I want to change this appearance, I can click on this, come here, and for example change my color, or have change on this surface pattern. Anything. So, or I can choose a texture, and this is cut pattern for sections, so I can choose one of these, or even choose no pattern and change that color here. So we got this like here, and alright, so we got now a wall which is customized. So now you got your wall here. You can search it also, new wall, you got it here. And you can change your appearance detail in here. So make sure that you have it on fine, and change this to shaded. Thank you guys. Bye.